Well, folks, the food is on the table, ready to be eaten. So attack.
Literally.
Can I serve anyone?
एक मिनट
First, serve yourself.
मैंने आज
Yeah, thank you. I want to do that quickly.
हाँ मैंने मच्छी बनाई है, टेस्ट तो करें.
चावल के साथ लो ना. चावल कौन सा चावल? Which
Let me
white
see.
rice or biryani? Which one? Have
Hello,
plain white
excuse
rice.
me, can you give me
Sorry,
some
yeah.
prawns too? एक इधर डालो थोड़ा. Be a gentleman.
खाने के मामले में they say that you should just do what you feel like because people who eat like this now.
I can't ask him even to serve
Right.
me because he wants to start
Oh, sorry.
eating.
So sorry. I thought कि आप अपना खाना खा के बोर हो गए होगे.
Okay,
Wow.
thank you
Fish.
God for this lovely.
Please attack.
Thank you God for sending us here to
But
eat
one-
this food.
Good, good. I'm so happy.
Super. मतलब vegetarian होते हुए I'm again going back to seafood.
तो ये तो one thing is there कि we know कि यहाँ पर खाना अच्छा होने ही वाला है. But हर बार when you have it, it's like a novel experience. And one thing कि जो इंसान दिल से लोगों को खाना खिलाता है, that is the nicest person. Zareen auntie, how they
I know
feed
you
people.
need a heart to be able to feed, है ना?
The way they feed people
प्यार से.
and मतलब there's no count. खाओ सब खाओ और अच्छा खाना और दिल से बना हुआ और हाथ से बना हुआ.
Can we
Well,
make
that's
it
good food all
once
the
a
way.
week?
Please.
है ना?
Honest.
एक थोड़ा contract sign कर लें आज.
ना कर
Once a week.
Once a week इनके यहाँ party तो होता ही है. They just invite us every time. But I have a very serious question, Jai auntie, which I've thought many times. Do you all eat this food as good and as rich and as lovely every day?
Every day we don't need biryanis, but the problem is when we entertain,
Yeah.
everybody just wants
Expects
biryani.
biryani.
Correct.
Yeah.
So we have to make biryani.
तो आप everyday में क्या खाते हो? ये भी बता दो हमें.
Very simple. We have dal, chawal,
Mutton,
and mutton,
fish, prawns.
Yeah. Or always, actually, you know, every afternoon we have 2 vegetables, 1 dal,
Oh,
rice,
nice.
and 1 meat or fish dish.
Same like my house.
Same like all the houses.
हाँ, like regular
Yeah.
house.
2 सब्जीज मेरे घर में भी हर रोज बनेंगी.
Exactly.
And a chicken or a mutton.
But the thing
And then-
is, I have this habit again taken from my mother-in-law that we sort of mix and match, mix the dishes very well. So it
Correct.
looks very nice. I mean, what goes with
What goes with what?
combinations
correct.
क्या हैं?
Combinations,
That is very
Correct.
important
Yeah,
actually.
like a vegetable suits a dahi curry.
The color must be also different.
हाँ,
Correct.
दो
Today you see
same
white,
पत्ते वाली हरी
red.
सब्जीज हो जाएं तो
हाँ,
किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता.
वही तो.
So what's the best dessert made in your house?
Caramel custard. And of course, then we have the pirni, which is for, of course,
Yes, that's the
Eat time.
speciality. Yes.
I normally don't eat Indian sweets. I've had the firni in the house. It was incredible. Even जैसे आप कभी-कभी non खाते हो, कभी-कभी Indian sweet खाता हूँ. Otherwise, I only eat ice creams.
अच्छा, what is Samita's best dish? What does she make which you like?
I must tell you this, Andy, you have to. I'll send her once to your kitchen to accompany you, because she's got spectacular cooking sense. Like Zaidu knows it. When he comes home, she's a Maharashtrian, so she's a Pathare Prabhu.
Wow.
Pathare Prabhus were the first inhabitants of Bombay. And there's no Pathare Prabhu restaurant as such in Bombay, so she's very keen.
क्या
I'm very keen that
speciality है
she
उसकी?
presents
What-
that food to people somewhere either.
why don't she put up a nice
I told her,
restaurant,
but she loves cooking for her friends. She's got that thing like you. So she'll want, and she in fact loves to call Zaidon for a bombil. She makes the world's best bombil.
Really?
Oh,
The
nice.
world's, and she makes it in 5 minutes, literally. 5. So she's very good with cooking.
So what
very
is
fast.
the favorite जो आपको उनके हाथ की सबसे अच्छी चीज?
See, I love the chicken she cooks for me. Like I said, I have that sense of smell कि I can smell खाना दूर से. So my fish में, if the fish has little also smell, I can't eat it. So then my wife says, "What are you doing? You want your fish to taste like chicken?" So I was like, "Yes." So I'm a little particular about the fish.
But tell me one thing, Ashish, when you are on the set and then it's very hot and all the rest, so what do you do? I mean, sometimes the sets are bad and do you have a place to relax, especially whole days that you have got to be on the
As
set?
vain as it sounds, but the vanity van is something which we demand because we need that. And thank God, because I don't know whether
But
before.
Did you know whose concept came with the vanity vans?
No.
Madam Poonam Dhillon. She brought them in first.
Are you serious?
I'm absolutely serious. आपको पता नहीं था?
नहीं ठहरिए,
आप
आपने
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं. You didn't know that I started the vans
मैंने
for the shootings.
Are you serious? You were the first person who made a
Because-
vanity van?
Well, I think some private actors had it first. I think Mr. Bachchan had it first, his own van. But shooting के लिए as a part of the equipment, nobody had thought of it. So I decided कि हम लोग shooting पे जाते हैं. बंदरों की तरह सड़क पे बैठ के लोग देख रहे हैं, कुछ कचरा गिर रहा है अंदर, and we were
Correct.
eating like that.
Correct.
And as a female artist, changing outfits, you know, कभी outdoor में जाते हैं, 5 कपड़े change करने पड़ते हैं.
Of course.
There was no place. Either you will be looking के neighbor के घर में चले जाओ किसी के, या पर्दा रख के सामने
Yeah, Amitabh
change.
Bachchan के fan में, sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, even he don't have it on outdoors. But it was so difficult for us. So I said, why don't we make it? And everybody actually.
So you
very
made it
dis-
into a business, huh? Fantastic.
Well, everybody
So you were
discouraged
the
me.
first person who started the business of vanity vans, renting it out to the film industry.
In fact, they call it Vanity Van today, Ashish. My company was called Vanity.
Oh.
So आजकल उसको Vanity ही बोल दाते हैं उसको.
Serious trivia, serious. I really didn't know.
Yes.
Hats off, my God.
So अभी आप आजकल
Slowly
कंफर्ट
and
में
steady.
एसी में खाते
तो
हैं.
मतलब आपका मतलब है कि इतने एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेस के अफेयर्स भी आपकी वजह से शुरू हुए वैनिटी वैन में रोमांस हैपनिंग. थैंक यू पूनम दुलन जी.
नहीं पहले भी हो रहे होंगे. What do you say? Romances तो होते थे,
वो तो
but
पहले वो
आजकल
studio में-
अच्छे कंफर्ट में होते हैं.
Thanks to you. You took care of everybody. Also, so many actors, remember. So all the actors who started their affairs in vanity and all those who fooled around behind
gosh.
their spouses. Sorry, लेकिन सच तो है ना. Thank you.
So have you all finished? Shall we move on?
What do you think?
Wait, I'll lick my 5 fingers again.
Oh.
No, it's been one of
Demonstrative.
the best meals we have forgotten. मैंने तो ये भूल गई कि मैं नॉन-वेज नहीं खाती हूँ. कोई
I know, you
डाइट पे है वो
adapted
भी
to
भूल गए, सब कुछ भूल गए. आज we just attacked the food.
That is true
Thank
love.
you. Super, super yummy.
Pleasurable.
Thank you, Zoya.
So now we'll be going on to the answering machine round. So don't go away and we'll be back.